Video me. Ari kami sa Stockholm,
Okay,
Sweden.
ilang taon naman ta
The three of us look. Then it's cherry, you know, it's cold here. There's a reason why we didn't see any leaves right there, but there's some other, I don't know what kind of trees is that, look. Still have full leaves. Okay. There we go. We're at the Plaza of Stockholm. Oh, I know. You see the clock? Hi everyone. Once in a lifetime. It's cold here, Sweden. Stockholm, Sweden. It's a cherry tree. Got the leaves. Huh? Yep. Plaza ni siya. We're in Scandinavian. Beautiful, isn't it? Oh. Isa. Adlaw. Good luck sa inyong side. Thank you, Lord. See the infrastructure? Beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna go. We're gonna go to the other side. We'll see you later again. Bye-bye.